Beijing says companies could face repercussions if they bow to the US on trade. Yep, you read that right. China is trying to trap American companies, especially the technology ones, like Intel, Qualcomm, ARM, SK, Hynix, Microsoft, Dell, Nokia, Cisco, and etc. But wait, it gets better. Not really. Chinese officials told foreign tech companies that there could be unspecified consequences if they pulled out of China, ended business, partnerships, or stopped supplying products to Chinese customers. Okay, well, there is a high tariff from importing from China. So, what do you expect the companies to do? Maybe at one point they're not as profitable as they were in the past in China, or maybe they're not profitable at all. You can't just trap them into your country and then expect them to keep manufacturing there at a loss. Maybe they make something cheaper in Singapore. Maybe they get a better deal there. Maybe they get a lower operating cost so that in turn they can boost their profits. Or who knows? Maybe it might actually be cheaper to manufacture in the US now than it is in China. Okay, yes. While the Chinese did say that they understand the companies may be regulated to reduce business with China, the officials did say that they don't want the companies to reduce business more than they have to. Alright, well, maybe they don't have to reduce it that much, but it just becomes a higher expense for them overall. And they're trapped into manufacturing things in China when they can manufacture stuff elsewhere for cheaper. Overall, I do think that if the companies are forced to do business with China or manufacture their products there at a higher operating cost because of the tariffs between the United States and China, China's putting tariffs on the United States, and the United States is also putting tariffs on China, and the company's margins and profits is lower or even negative, this might be still good for China's economy, but it wouldn't be good for our stocks if they can experience growth in other parts of the world, maybe even the United States. As investors, this may also affect our dividends because the companies may not have as much excess money to give over to shareholders. Also, Chinese officials may be using scare tactics on our companies. They said, quote unquote, unspecified consequences. Like, what is that supposed to mean? Unspecified consequences. So maybe there isn't any consequence at all other than for China, that maybe they make less money, maybe companies aren't doing business there anymore, maybe they may never come back to China, maybe consequence for them, but what's the consequence for the American companies? I think that's just a scare tactic. Furthermore, if our tech stocks drop because of this, I wouldn't worry. If it drops more than 20% from where you bought it from, I would just buy more if I had the money available. Or if you didn't have any shares in the tech companies at all and they fall, great opportunity. Buy some shares. They will be more than fine in the long run. Honestly, guys, for all of our stock picks right now, I'm not worried. Also, guys, let me know what you think of China trying to trap the US tech companies into their country to do business with them in the comments. If you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe with bell notifications so you never miss out on another video, comment letting me know if you have any questions or concerns, and share.